Nigeria must move forward.
Edo 2020. Obaseki na person wey value and respect women. Na this one make am allow us dey do our own campaign. Na Betty Obaseki na im tell Edo women this one. Wife of Edo State Governor wey still be First Lady of Edo State, Betty Obaseki, don tell Edo women say Governor Godwin Obaseki, wey be their wake and see governor, na person wey value and respect women. And na this one make am create the women wing of PDP campaign council, make dem for fit do their own campaign. She talk say na the first time wey this kind thing dey happen for Naija na im be this. The First Lady talk this one for Okpoje Primary School for Uromi, where she carry waka go with members of the women wing of PDP campaign council to go do ogbonge campaign rally for Governor Godwin Obaseki on Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020, where more than 6,000 people from the 3 local government areas for gather to receive her. Mrs. Obaseki assured people wey come, especially the women wey many pass for inside, say dem don make the right choice as dem dey support Governor Godwin Obaseki re-election. She tell dem say Obaseki na person wey know the value of women for society, and na this one make am include women well for im government so.
E no go happen like that o. Una get for comot for house that day, carry una PVC, like mama talk, carry una fake mask. Because anybody wey no carry face mask that day, dem no go let am vote o. So una go carry una face mask, no carry anything wey get the logo. When una reach, you get logo, you no get another one, turn am upside down, come the other side, there that side wey no get logo, so that una go fit vote.
She still come teach the women how dem go take vote well, wey wuruwuru no go dey for inside their vote, and how dem go join body take monitor the vote.
Then when una vote, una put una finger for umbrella, where the umbrella? Obaseki don leave for APC o, e no dey for broom o. Make dem no deceive una o, because those wayo people dem dey go, dem see say dem don fail. No wait for them again, dem dey go tell people say Governor Obaseki do well, he is supposed to come back. So make una vote APC na the lie dem dey tell una o. No take here APC na PDP o. Tell everybody, the governor dey PDP now. Umbrella. Now we go vote that day.
Wife of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Mariam Shaibu, wey join body follow dem do the campaign, come still chook mouth put on top the election matter.
This party where we dey na be the way forward. Any other party na wuruwuru party, na lie party, na tiki party. Una see the better thing wey dey PDP. That better thing na be Godwin Obaseki. That Godwin Obaseki na be the light wey we dey see for Edo State. Any other thing na darkness. Where we dey today na between light and darkness. Which one else I choose? Wetin else I choose? If you choose light, you vote for PDP. And if you vote for PDP, you vote for Godwin Obaseki and Philip Shaibu.
The campaign team can't distribute palliatives give the women, make them for not to feel the impact of the kind hunger wey coronavirus disease dey cause for the state. This na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Betty Obaseki don tell Edo women say Obaseki na person wey value and respect women, and na this one make am allow them dey do their own campaign. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oiza Aboriogun.